Let's get that camera sussed. Yo, what's good YouTube? Swayze Endo here, aka Brock. And today is back surgery day. So, a little bit nervous, but not too bad, not too bad. Gonna be heading in shortly. It's 10 a.m. now. Get to the hospital at 11. Yeah, I've got surgery at some stage in the afternoon. The procedure should be around 4 hours. Could be shorter, could be more, I don't know. And then I'll be drugged up tonight. So, heading into the surgery, what I'd say, I'm like too nervous. The more thing I'm more nervous about, it's just what the pain's gonna be like afterwards. I know it's gonna be shit, but you know, toughen up. So yep, surgery, about to go down range. Please work, just work, do your thing. Let's get back into like, you know, normality. But yes, hopefully you all enjoyed today's vid. This will be spanned across, I don't know how many weeks, whatever. But yep, heading into surgery now. Hope you all enjoy this documented video. But yeah, now off to surgery now. Hopefully all good. Cheer. So yeah, this is my bag I'll be taking to the hospital. Pretty standard, some clothes, and blah, blah, blah. I've got to be in there for about 5 nights. This is all I'm allowed at the moment. Water, a tani whāmā would go pretty hard right now, but I'm not allowed it, unfortunately. But yes, look at that beast lancer. All right, I'm just going to chill out, head to the hospital. Yeah, hold on. Day 3. Sore as fuck. Had the drain taken out of my back. And the catheter taken out of my private. The worst is heaven now though. Stomach's rumbling. Yeah. See how we go. Day 3 and I've managed to change myself. It's a fucking struggle though, but we got there fine out. We got there. Day 3, I'm able to walk a bit. Pain shit on my back, but met it up. I will show at one stage during this video some walking steps. But yes, long road to recovery. I think the nerve pain's gone. I don't know if it's the meds covering it up or not, but if that nerve pain has gone, I'm only so fucking happy. But yes, long way to go, team. See how we go. tea time. Let's go. So you got a cup of tea now and a muffin. Got my Powerade. End of day 3. Boom. Beautiful. Yeah, end of day 3. Fucking day 4 tomorrow, get discharged. It's now day 5. I'm getting discharged today from the hospital. This is 4 AM at the moment. Just got woken up and took a Tramadol. Pain's pretty shit, but getting a little bit of sleep. But yeah, see you guys in a bit. Ciao. What's good, everyone? So it is Friday now, and I had my surgery on Tuesday. So it's officially day 3 post-surgery. So I'm home now, bedridden, of course. So yeah, after the surgery, like, the pain's been pretty shit. I'm pretty much in pain right now. So just getting my meds picked up for me at the moment and getting a couple ice packs so that will calm it down. But I'm hoping the surgery's been a success. I feel like the nerve pain's no longer there anymore, but hard to tell at the moment. But yeah, this is basically going to be me now for next few weeks. Bedridden. Try to go for a couple walks here and there, which I'll show you on the vlog. But yeah, pretty major surgery. I'm going to show you guys now on screen the x-rays so you can get an idea of what happened. But yeah, fuck. Surgery done. Definitely not as high on drugs anymore, but I'll be having a lot of meds anyway. So yeah, hopefully, becomes a success. It's really just a waiting game now. First 6 weeks, you need to just chill out and not do anything. So yeah, I'm not going to take a single day for granted. So yeah. Got to stay positive, team. But yeah, as you can see here, got Apple TV, so I've got fucking YouTube, heaps of shit to watch on there. Got the old Twitch, Netflix, Disney Plus. So yeah, like Prime, all good to go there. And then I can't be bothered right now because I'm sore, but I've also got my Xbox connected to the TV as well. So got some pretty chill single player games, etc. to jam. So that's going to be me far out. Fuck. Oh. Oh, motherfucker. I'm up. Oh, fuck. You go bathroom all the time. It's night right now, so it's fucking Saturday morning, 4 AM. I'm in a lot of fucking pain, So I just had to take some meds then. Need to get a bit of ice pack fucking today. Sort of record this. Oh, the fucking struggles, man. Hopefully the meds ease it down. I can get back to sleep. This is fucking shit. What's going good, team? Ando here. So it's about lunchtime, day 4 post-surgery. The pain has been really shit, not gonna lie. Had an incident at 4 AM last night. Not an incident, but like I was just in so much pain. It was really bad, but took some more medication and then did a small walk to the kitchen and back twice. Try to stretch a tiny bit, just a little bit to get back to sleep. So that really sucked, but we're hanging in there.
hopefully, fingers crossed, day by day, it just gets a bit better and better. But so far today, it hasn't been too bad. Just I don't have much sleep. Still a solid amount. I was out of bed by not out of bed. Woke up at 8 a.m. Had a coffee this morning. About to jam and up and go. Obviously, I'm going to gain weight during this period, but once we start rehab and physio, it's all balls to the walls, eh? So yeah. But got the TV set up there. Just jamming a little bit of zombies this morning. It's so difficult playing the Xbox while in bed, but it's jammed for a bit, and then there's a lot of sports on this afternoon, which I'm keen as to get amongst and watch, and try to start some TV series as well. So day 4, yep, pretty sore, but that's expected. Sister's gonna come around soon, drop me off an ice pack, start jamming that. But yeah, that's where I'm at the moment, team. Peace. It's good, team. Day 5, post-surgery. Managed to get to sleep at around 10 p.m. and it's 2:38 a.m. I'm in a lot of fucking pain once again. This is not good. I think I need some stronger meds, I don't know, but I just took 2 paracetamol and a pregabalin. I'm gonna wait 5, take a slash, go to the kitchen, grab my ice pack, come back, and then try to go back to sleep. Fuck, this shit fucking hurts. It feels like shocks throughout my lower back and around my stomach and that. Part of the process, I guess so, team. Oh, yeah. Yours good, team. Day 5 post-surgery. Feeling a bit better this morning. I managed to shower by myself, which was mean, and managed to make myself a coffee. Around 2:40 a.m. this morning, as you were seeing earlier, I was in a lot of fucking pain, but somehow I'm feeling a little bit better this morning, which is good. So baby steps, but yeah, today's agenda is just watch WrestleMania really, and do a couple small walks to the kitchen and back, and a couple stretches while standing up very slowly. But yeah, hopefully things are on the mend. May show a clip too of me walking today, eh? See how the procedure goes. Church. Yo, what's good, team? Sway's here again. Day 6 post-surgery. This is going to be the final video for this part of the series, episode 1. I will know the title of the series when I upload this, because I'll try to come up with something decent rather than setback to come back, part 2, whatever. Today's been pretty average, not gonna lie. Today's been worse than yesterday, which is a bit of a shame. What I get up to today, a few walks around, watch WrestleMania, and nap because I had a real shit sleep last night. I only slept for 4 hours. It was pretty teats, but it is what it is. So yeah, unsure what's gonna be in episode 2, but that's gonna do it for today. Thank you for watching. Drop a like, hit the sub, drop a comment. That's it from me. See you on the next one. What's good, team? Hopefully y'all enjoyed episode 1. These are all training clips from my first surgery I had until I just had that most recent second one. As you could have seen at the start of the video, Sway's Fit is now available for order. 2 weeks to pre-order. And then we'll go get those orders submitted through. Thank you once again for watching today's video. I'm currently nearly 6 weeks post-surgery. So, yes, this video is from about 5.5 weeks ago. So, here's some clips. Enjoy. And I'll see you on episode 2. Peace.
business if it's momentary. I wanna talk with a gag if it's a bottle or bag. I wanna strike with the sag, I need the fan from it. I want a shot in the dag, I wanna make a mac. I wanna live the yak, I call the ends on it. I wanna take the truth without a lens on it. My God-given insanity, it depends on it. How I feel, how I feel, how I feel. I wanna hear all the hand and never turned up challenger. I wanna keep all of your charm in a canister. Do you inspire like the same bit Salinger? I'm the pig on the Chinese calendar. I got a shallow like a 5'8" caliber. I wanna move like a new salamander. I live a carry on, who's a real scavenger. It's voluntarily keeping me from me. Hit me for the day, for the life that you suffer to come by. Take to my sky, never wanting, only wonder.